I'm so excited. I just made this fettuccine with hot smoked wild Alaskan salmon, dairy-free creamy sauce. 6 ingredients. Less than 6 minutes. Freudian slip. The water boiling, and I'm using this egg fettuccine. It's gluten-free because it's digest, but it's fresh, so it takes only 3 minutes. So of you who don't want to cook the pasta, you're gonna use also miracle noodles. These take 1 minute draining in water. This is Miyoko's cream cheese. It's dairy-free cream cheese. I'm gonna put a whole bunch because I'm making a lot. Wild sockeye salmon from Whole Foods. It's already cooked. It's hot smoked. Wash the salmon. A little bit of water. This pasta is all done. I'm gonna add some fresh spinach, fresh organic spinach. Always get spinach organic. I'm gonna cover this up. We're transferring this pasta right in here. I'm gonna add these cold, well actually they're warm because I ran them under warm water. Put a little bit of this follow your heart Parmesan. It really is this simple, you guys. I'm just gonna taste it right from here. OMG, Mamma mia. I always buy wild salmon, so it has more omega-3s, which are anti-inflammatory.